Today we are having an ice bucket challenge to raise money and awareness so children can have their broken dolls and toys repaired for free. We need your help, your donations and your help. Our first contestant is Elsa. I'm really excited to take the ice bucket challenge because the ice challenge never bothers me anyways. Okay, Elsa, are you ready? Yeah. Oh my god, that was so cold, but it was so awesome. Anna, you're gonna love it. Okay. Oh, I'm a bit, okay. Doing me either shot. Scared. Let's get it over with. No! Cold! Our next contestant is Rosabella. Take your glasses off. Okay, I am really nervous. I really don't know if I'm gonna like it. Okay, just do it quick. Oh my gosh, so cold, but so awesome. I love it, but I am so cold. Oh my god, but it's awesome though. Mom, you're gonna love it. Okay, I'm gonna take my skirt off. Okay, I'm ready. Go! Are you ready? Yeah! Cold, but awesome! You're next, Evie. Our next contestant is Evie. So much ice. Are you ready? Yes. Get over with. That was us! Okay, how am I going to move? I'm so cold. And we have one last contestant. Maddie! Okay, coming. I'm ready. Yeah, Maddie's wearing Mouse Sadie's dress. She doesn't want to get it ruined. Yeah, I don't want mine to get ruined. Tell me when you're ready. Ready! I'm so excited! Why did I say I'm so excited? Cold. Well, luckily I repaired the donation. That's the end of our video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.